Hi boys and girls, so now it's time for us to go over our daily math review and self-assess, okay? So as we go over this, I want you to check your work, and if you got it correct, give yourself a check, and if not, you can always fix it, and so that way you'll know what to do next time, okay? Are you ready? Alright, let's get started. In the first box, it says to count by tens to get to 100. Okay, so we're starting from 10 and going all the way to 100. Okay, remember we're counting by tens. So we start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50 comes, right, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then we get 100. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, next it says use the tens frame and fill in the number bond. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is label my number bond so that way it will help me. I know that this is the whole, this is the part, and this is the other part of the whole. Okay, so I'm looking at my tens frame and I see that this tens frame is filled. So that could be one part of my number bond, and this other tens frame can be the other part of my number bond. So in this tens frame, it's all filled. So I know that that is 10. And then this tens frame shows, right, this shows 9. So that could be my other part. And when I put these two together, I will get my whole. And 10 and 9 make, right, 19, which goes in the whole. Alright, did you get that? Give yourself a check. If not, make sure you fix your work. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next box. It says, write an equation to show how many. Okay, so I know that this one long rod, that equals to 10. So I'm going to start with that. So that's 10 plus how many of these little ones cubes do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's one long 10 plus 8 ones, and that gives me 18. Alright, very good. Did you get that? Give yourself a check. So now it's time for us to do the mental math, okay? And I want you to do it as we go, alright? So for number 1, okay? 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. Right, 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay, did you get that? Give yourself a check. Alright, for number 2, 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2. Right, 7 minus 2 equals 5. Give yourself a check if you got that. Alright, so for number 3, okay, if I start at the number 11 and I move 2 more, what number do I get? If I start at 11 and I move 2 more. Right, 2 more than 11 is 13. Did you get that? Okay, give yourself a check. If you didn't, you can always go back and fix your work. Alright, great job, boys and girls.